The southwestern United States is rattlesnake country. Encompassing 1,800 acres in San Diego's San Pasqual Valley, the safari park shares a border with thousands of acres of prime, undeveloped rattlesnake habitat. Each year, safari park staff are called to collect, remove, and relocate rattlesnakes found adjacent to public areas in the safari park. This video demonstrates the steps required to better ensure staff safety and animal welfare during the collection and relocation of a rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes are seasonal and are more active during the warmer time of the year. At the safari park, rattlesnake sightings typically occur between March and late October and are generally only 2 of the 7 species of rattlesnake, the red diamondback and the southern Pacific rattlesnake. It is important for you to be able to confidently identify which of these 2 species of snake is being collected. Our employees are provided with a variety of specialized collecting tools necessary to safely capture and relocate a venomous snake. San Diego Zoo Global expects that staff who are trained for venomous snake removal and relocation will follow protocols and use the required equipment. The required personal protective equipment, or PPE, include gaiters, which are easy to attach and offer leg protection during collection. Tongs are the primary tool used for controlling the movement of the snake's head. A snake hook is the primary tool used to support the snake's body during collection. Specialized snake transport box. This specially designed box has multiple elements that you should become completely familiar with prior to the collection of a snake. The box has signs that should be correct for the situation and in position prior to the collection. The tongs are designed to be used to safely secure the snake's head and neck without injuring the animal. Once the animal's head is controlled with the tongs, the snake hook is used to support the animal's body. When properly used, the hook helps prevent an injury to the animal's surprisingly delicate spine and ribs. Remember, these dangerous animals are also fragile. When capturing a venomous snake, your first and primary responsibility is to know exactly where the snake is relative to your position at all times. During collection, stay focused on your proximity to the snake and remain out of strike range. A rattlesnake typically strikes within a distance between 1/3 to 1/2 of its total body length. However, longer strikes are certainly possible. Remember that rattlesnakes do not need to coil to strike. Before the collection of the animal begins, inspect and place the opened containment box. The box, including proper signage, should be made completely ready to receive the snake in advance of collection. During collection, the snake may feel threatened and become defensive. Your moves to secure the animal's head with the tongs should be thought out in advance so you're ready when you engage. Be confident and deliberate in your actions to capture and restrain the snake. Once the snake is placed in the box, it will likely settle. Once the snake has been collected and is safely in the transport box, note your location. The park is divided into 3 collection zones and 3 release zones. The location where a rattlesnake has been collected determines the zone on safari park property where this animal is to be released. Once the box is positioned at the proper release site, there are 3 methods you can use to release a snake. In no particular order, the methods are: Number 1, release ramp and squeeze plate. Using your hook, deploy the drop-down ramp built into the box, and if necessary, using your tongs and hook, release and deploy the restraint wall, moving the snake closer and closer to the escape ramp. Always use your tools and maintain maximum distance from the animal. Number 2, release with tongs and hook. Using your tools, maintain a safe distance from the animal. Remove the snake with tongs and hook through the open lids. Number 3, box tilt. Tilt the box on its end and open the lids. Use your tongs and hook to encourage the snake to crawl out of the open, upright box. After the snake is successfully released into the wild, it is likely that some dirt and debris will remain in the box. It is important to remove the dirt and debris and then disinfect the box using the Cavicide disinfectant spray. No rinsing of the disinfectant from the box is necessary. Remember, to become certified, you must take and pass both Academy Rattlesnake training safety courses, that's Part 1 and Part 2, and attend a hands-on, skills-based class taught by an experienced and authorised handler.